Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by b squared s to the power of 4. So the square root of b squared s to the power of 4, we have bs squared. Next, this one, that is about the square root of s squared minus c squared to the power of 2. Now, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to c secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have c square secant of t square, c square, c square. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. ds, we have c secant of t tan t dt, because first derivative of this one, that is about this one. So I will put this one gone here and here. ds we change by this one. So we have c square secant of t square. C square, we can do about factorization. This one, we have tan t square. The square root of c square tan t square, we have c tan t. This one, we have c square secant of t square. So c square and c square, we simplify. Secant of t, we simplify. Tan t and tan t, we have tan t square. So I will put b go outside. About tan t square, we change by secant of t square minus 1. So this one divide by this one. Number 1 divide by secant of t. So this one, we have cosine t. The integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. Cosine t, we have sin t. Next, about t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by c. And we got about t equals to arcsecant of s over c. And now I will put this one to change for t. So secant with arcsecant, we have s over c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.